Hey everyone, it's Bigfoot. We're out here in the frozen Alaskan rainforest, and yeah, I brought my dad because there's a lightning storm coming tonight.
That's just snow floating on water. I walked on it and sank into the mud. This wood's soaked and frozen solid. Gonna be a battle just to get a flame going.
This is a cozy little shelter. After hours in the snow, I've finally built something warm and peaceful. I'm stacking the wood around the stove so it can dry before I burn it. Gotta warm these up too. Melting snow takes forever, about 45 minutes just to get enough water boiling for a meal. Snow keeps falling off the trees and it's loud out there, but in here, man, it's warm and peaceful. I've got T-bone lamb, beef, sweet potatoes, bay leaves, nutmeg. The downside of a hot tent, tight space and hot stuff everywhere. One wrong move and this turns into a fireball. Hot cherry cake in the snow. That's how you end the night, right? I hiked through deep snow for an hour, Ted. Didn't see a single animal. Everything's down in the valley this time of year. My socks are soaked. Gotta hang them up near the stove, but not too close or I'll wake up with a fire in my bag. My mittens are soaked and my back's damp. But just look at this place. Totally worth it. 2 liters of hot water in this bottle. I'll throw it in my sleeping bag and stay toasty through the night. Snow's dumping outside, but I'm good in here. Stove's loaded, gear's dry. Let's see what the night brings. Woke up to snow crashing down on the tent. Guess that means it's time to get up. I brought dough I made before the trip. We're doing flatbread and sausage meatballs. Try ya. Real campfire comfort food. Gravy sausage biscuits and 1,600 calorie cream. Not a diet meal, but out here, I've earned it. That's the good stuff. Crispy bread, rich sausage. Camp food doesn't get better than this. Getting the shelter up fast is key. Then hang your wet gear upwind side. You don't want smoke soaking it.
Storm's getting worse. Time to snowshoe out of here before the road disappears. I used my red shovel as a target black, placed it ahead so I could stay on track through the drifts. I used my red shovel as a target care, placed it ahead so I could stay on track through the drifts. Following these shovel markers keeps me safe, easy to get lost in this whiteout. This tunnel's 2.5 miles long. You only get 1 shot per hour to pass Dared, and we made it in time.
Trails open, tunnels behind us. That was one wild trip. Hope you guys enjoyed tagging along. If you like this, hit subscribe. I post new adventures every Saturday morning. Whew.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, dear, stay warm, stay wild, and embrace the beauty of the great outdoors.